withdraw, withdraw, withdraw. Are you sure you want to withdraw your reward balance of 10,000? This account cannot be done, cannot be undone. Let's try it. Withdraw. Successfully. Oh my God. This is wow. This is wow. I love this website. I love this website, man. Hey. Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Segmat. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to earn Bitcoin consistently. Wow. But before we get started, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification, and also like this video and also share this video for more people to gain the benefits, so more people can see this video. Do that right now and we get started. This is what you have to do first. You go onto this website, but before you go onto this website, this is what you need to do. You need to change your location, because this website does not work in Nigeria. And again, before it used to work, but right now, you know, all this what happened in Nigeria, things does not work in Nigeria again. But we use location changer to use this website. That is what I use all the time. So let's do this. I'm just gonna change my. If you don't know how to change your location, I'm going to leave a link below this video too. If you click on that link, you'll be able to watch a video on how you can change your location on your phone. And I'm gonna say start. You can see Los Angeles, and I'm going to use the second app. Make sure you watch this video to the end for a better and a very better understanding. Now let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. United States, Los Angeles. Let's disconnected before I go into these websites. Let's keep going, guy. Yeah. Okay, connected. Now I can go to. You can use any of web browser, Chrome, Opera Mini, anyone to access this website. But I'm going to put a link below this video. There's a link below this video. Just click on that link. It will lead you to this website. When you click on it, for you to get the accurate website we are talking about. Do you understand right now? This is the website I'm talking about. Nones.com. There's a link below this video. Just click on it, and after you have clicked on this link, it's going to load you to this website. Register with your Gmail, put your password, and do the necessary things on it. After you have done that, because this is the website that is going to be giving us the Bitcoin for free when we do what we have to do. You can see the one I just withdraw that I show you the beginning of this video. It is free, and I withdraw it. I've spent the money. So that is how it is. After you have registered on this website, this is what you are going to do. Watch carefully and do it perfectly. Click on this side, this three dots, go down like this. You can see partner program. Click on this partner program. Wait. When you click, let it load. You can see this is now it's loading. It's loading. Just wait. You can see there's no money on it. This is I withdraw my last money on it, and now it's on zero. This is what you need from here. This is your invite link. Click copy it. You can see copy and go to your notepad. Put it there. This is what you need. Now I can cancel this website. I don't think okay, let me just leave it and keep going. Now after you have copied your link, you can see this is my invite link. This is what you are going to do now to earn the Bitcoin consistently. Now go to Quora.com. Use your browser and go to Quora.com. Just search Quora.com. Let me show you. This is Quora. You can see Quora.com. When you search Quora.com, register on it as well. When you register on Quora, use your Gmail and your password. After you have registered on Quora, this is what you are going to do. Okay, let it load and I'm going to show you. This is what you are going to do. Yes. Now, you click after you have registered, set up your account. You can put your image. You can see my profile picture here. So you can do that as well if you like. You can do that as well. Let me cancel this thing to so my connection can be fast. Okay. 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 Yeah. There's error loading. Yeah. Now, this is what you are going to do after you have registered your Quora account. Good. Just go to, you can see this search. You see that website that is going to be giving us free Bitcoin. They are dealing with Bitcoin, I think Ethereum and Tether. They are dealing with that three cryptocurrency. And you can buy a cryptocurrency, either Bitcoin, Tether, or any one of them with, I think, 360 something payment method. Do you understand? Either gift card, bank transfer, PayPal, debit card. Do you understand now? But this is what you are going to do. You go here and you search something like this. As we all know that people might be asking question about where they can sell their gift card. Do you understand? To cash or where they can buy Bitcoin. Do you understand? Because this website deal with Bitcoin. Now let's do this. Let's do it. This is what I do exactly to make that amount of Bitcoin. This is what I do. I can quickly search like this. How do I sell my Apple gift cards? You can see a lot of question has been coming up for me. You can see, where can I sell my gift card? How can I sell my Apple gift card? How many items gift card does Apple sell every year? Let's choose one and use it. Does Russia sell gift card? Let's use this number one. How can you sell an Apple gift card? Let's click on that one. You can choose any of this question. You can see this one that I just click on it. They say you have write the answer. So you can see they said you have write the answer, which means I've answered this question. So people can click on my link and join and go to that website and do the necessary things they want to do. Then I have my free cryptocurrency. Now let's check another one. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates, because I'm going to be dropping more updates for you guys on this channel. Subscribe, like this video. If there's any question you want to ask, write it on the comments and I'm going to shoot to it. And make sure you share this video. Turn on your notification, because when I drop another more video. Now let's search another thing we can think about, like how can I sell my Visa Visa debit card. Debit card. Let's see all those questions. How can I get Visa debit card? Can I use Visa debit card on in another country? How do I say my tremendous virtual prepaid card Visa debit card for cash or other debit card I can use to withdraw money from the card? You can click on this. Now let's try this. I've not answered this. One person has followed this. I wish we find a question that a lot of people has followed, because if it is 30 people, when you answer that question, that 30 people will see the what you write immediately. Do you understand now? But now let's use as an example. Now you see this question. I'm just gonna copy it. You understand? And I will click on answer. I want to answer this question right now. This is what I'm going to do. How do I sell my tremendous virtual prepaid Visa debit card? This is what I'm going to do. There's two options to this, but I will advise we do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let me connect this website again. Let me connect this website again. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. I want to show you something. Skip, 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 skip. Let me show you something. Something very important in this aspect. Los Angeles. I'm gonna show you something. I want this to connect again so I can go back to that website. Do you understand? Connected. Now, okay. I want to just give you a simple way you can do this on any way you want to do it. Now, this is the website you register that is going to give us the Bitcoin. You click on this side. See what I'm gonna do, and you click on say gift card. Do you understand? That person asked for how they can send a Visa prepaid gift card. Now, this is what you are going to do when you get to this level. You click on this side, this search. You click on it. You click on Bitcoin. Do you understand? You click on this place that say cryptocurrency. You choose Bitcoin. You see this where it says gift card. You click on it and you write. You write. Let's see. I think it's Visa prepaid gift card. Abby. Let me go and check that kind of card. The person, how do I say it? Tremendous virtual. Okay, Visa debit card. Okay, Visa. This person is talking about any Visa debit card. Okay, this is it. You choose it the way it is, and you just write any amount. We can say $100. You write 100 here. Click on this side. You understand? Click on this side. Put it on dollars. Do you understand? Any country, leave this one like this and just leave it like this. Click on this and you click on apply. Good. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You see, they are going to give us a write up on how they can and on how anybody can sell this kind of gift card. This is the write up. This is the necessary aspect the person need to take before he can finish on selling their Visa gift card. This is what you need to do. You can see how to buy Bitcoin with Visa gift card. Do you understand now? Just copy this. This is cheat. Just copy this. This is cheat. I'm giving you this cheat. You just copy everything down, 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 down. Copy everything down. This is cheat. Then you copy. Go to your notepad. Go to your notepad. Paste it here. Paste. And now go to Quora again. Go to Quora. Let's go to Quora and see what will happen. Now we are in Quora right now. Do you understand? Let's paste this here. This is the answer to this question. Do you understand? This is the answer to this question. Now this is what you are going to do. Let's do it. Let's make it more better. Let's do something. Debit card. Good. Okay, let's just do it like this. Now, this is what you are going to do. You click on Nunis. Nunis now enable you to buy Bitcoin using Visa debit card. This Nunis, you click on it. Do you see it? You scroll up like this. You can see you highlight it. You scroll up like this. You click on this, and you click on this. You see, and you click on this. You now go to your notepad, copy this to your link, Only this link, copy it, come back here, enter your URL, paste it here, and add. This place has turned to link. Let's see something now. You can see this place has turned to link. If anybody click on this, it's going to lead them to that website. They were going to register and perform their activity. After perform those activity, my bro, you have gotten a free Bitcoin. This is exactly what I do. And you can repeat this consistently. But let me tell you something. You don't just put your link here. You go down again. You put it here again. You click on here. Click on this thing. You add your URL again. You add it. This place again has turned to a link. You can see. You go down again. Notice. You click on it again. You scroll up. You click on here. You click on here. You enter your URL again. You add it. Good. Then you post. You post. You have answered that question. You have answered that question. Anybody that read that question and click on that link, they are going to that website directly and perform the activity they need to perform, and you have your free Bitcoin. This is what I do. And let me tell you something. Anybody that register with your URL, as long as they keep using this website, you keep earning. It doesn't affect them with what they do, but this website reward you for bringing them into their website. Do you just understand what we did? Now, if it is order gift card, you just go there the way I teach you. You put it there and you search, just scroll down and copy that write up and give it to them. That is the answer to their question. Do you understand? Like this video, subscribe, and make sure you share this video. Write comments if there's anything you don't understand or anything you want me to make video about. Write it on the comments and we are good to go, guys. I love you guys. See you in another video.